Google Photos gift cards can be a great way to enhance your storage options or access premium features. Follow these steps to effectively use your gift cards. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before using a gift card, check the balance to ensure you know how much you can spend. You can do this by visiting the Google Play website or using the Google Play app. Step 2. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your device or visit the Google Photos website. Make sure you are logged into the Google account associated with the gift card. Step 3. Navigate to Storage Options. In the app or website, go to the Settings or Storage Options. Look for the section that allows you to upgrade your storage plan or access premium features. Step 4. Select your desired upgrade. Choose the storage plan or feature you want to purchase. Review the options and select the one that fits your needs. Step 5. Redeem your gift card. When prompted for payment, select the option to redeem a gift card. Enter the gift card code as instructed and confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. Using Google Photos gift cards is a straightforward process that can enhance your photo storage experience. Enjoy your upgraded features.